Hello class 7th. The last class I taught the density, uh, the SI unit of a density, formula, and the relation between SI unit and its CGS unit. So what is the relation between density, mass over volume, and density equals to mass over volume, and SI unit is kg per meter cube, and the relation between SI unit and the CGS unit is 1 gram per centimeter cube equals to 1000 kg per meter cube. And today your topic is determination of a density of a regular solid. You have to find out the determination of a density of regular solid. Regular, it means the fixed shape as well as size. So if you have a fixed shape and a size, then first you need to find out the densities, mass and volume. Okay, then suppose I'm giving you a cube. Okay, I'm giving you a cube and you need a mass of a cube and volume of a cube. Then what you will do? How can you find out the mass of a cube? By using a beam balance, by using a electric balance, you will find out the mass of a given cube. Then you can find out the volume of a given cube by using the formula. How can you find out the volume of a cube equals to side cube? It means side you have given, then by using the side you can find out the volume. Clear? The same as if you have a cuboid, then what you will do? Then first you will use the mass by the using of a beam balance, then you will use the volume. You will find out the volume. Okay, if volume directly volume is given, then well and good. If directly not given, length, breadth or a height you have given, then by using the formula volume of a cuboid equals to length into breadth into height, then by using the formula you can find out the volume. And when you will get the value of mass and volume, then you can find out the density. कि density equals to mass की value रखोगे, volume की value रखोगे, then you will get the density. But before this, just see the question ki what the question is given, situation, what situation is given. It means if you have to find out the density is in kg per meter cube, then according to the situation you will change the unit. If the density you have find out gram per centimeter cube, then according to the situation you will change or you will find out the mass or a volume. Okay, so using a beam balance, measure the mass m of the solid. Then second, using the meter rule, measure the length, breadth and a height of a regular solid. Find the volume using the relation v equals to length into breadth into height. Then you will using the formula ki density equals to mass upon volume. Clear? Now the determination of a density of an irregular solid. Now here is the irregular in the sense of which shape and size are not fixed. Okay, now you can see ki obviously you will use to find out the density ki density equals to mass upon volume. Okay, so mass, if the solid is regular or irregular, by using a beam balance you can find out the mass. क्योंकि by the help of a beam balance you can find out the anything mass, चाहे वो आपकी regular है चाहे वो आपकी irregular shape में है. Okay, then here is a mass will be no problem about the mass. You can easily weighing by the help of a beam balance, by the help of a electric balance. Clear? But the next condition is volume, because you need a volume also. Okay, रेगुलर के केस में आपको सीधा सीधा साइड गिवन होंगी, लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट गिवन होगी, या यू कैन फाइंड आउट द लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट बाय द हेल्प ऑफ अ मीटर रूलर. बट इन केस ऑफ ए वॉल्यूम, when the solid is in irregular, you have read already in measurement of a volume of irregular object. ध्यान है? Do you know? You will use the same formula. You will use the same formula. You will use what you will do? You will use the same thing. This one. Have you remember? First, you will take a vessel, then full with water. Okay, a fixed label. Then the same as second beaker, you will take the second beaker, the same beaker you will use. Okay, then you will pour the amount of water will be same as a first one, and you will note down the initial level of the water. Okay, then you will take the irregular solid which you have given, which volume you have to find out. This object you will tie with thread and dip inside the water. Okay, then what you will see, you will see the level of a water will be rise, and when the water level will be rise, then you will see the final label. Okay, final label. And what is the volume of a irregular object? Final label minus initial label. Final label will be V2 and initial label will be V1. So this same formula you will use. Okay, then this same processor you will use to find out the volume of a irregular solid. And when you will get the value of mass and volume, then you can find out the density of a irregular solid. Clear? Now the next one is a determination of a density of a liquid. Now here is a liquid. Okay, it means you डेंसिटी आपको फाइंड करनी है, देन कहीं भी डेंसिटी आपको फाइंड करनी है, देन द सेम फॉर्मूला यू विल यूज की डेंसिटी, बट हियर डेंसिटी लिक्विड की फाइंड करनी है. दैट्स वाई कि डेंसिटी इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा, मास ऑफ अ लिक्विड अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ लिक्विड. क्लियर? सो हियर यू विल टेक अ बीकर, then measure the mass of the empty beaker. When the beaker is empty, wash it clearly and dry it. Then measure the mass of an empty beaker by the help of a beam balance, and it will be M1. Clear? Then now taking a measuring cylinder and pour milk into a certain level up to a 50 ml. Okay, आप क्या करेंगे, बाय द हेल्प ऑफ ए मेजरिंग सिलेंडर यू विल पोर मिल्क अप टू द लेवल ऑफ 50 ml. Thus volume of a milk will be 50 centimeter cube, because of 1 milliliter equals to 1 centimeter cube. Now the transfer the milk into the empty beaker, measure its mass again. Okay, just listen, be careful. When the beaker is empty, then you will measure the mass. जब आप उसमें मिल्क पोर करोगे, देन उसका जो टोटल हो जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा, मास ऑफ अ मिल्क प्लस मास ऑफ अ एम्प्टी बीकर. क्लियर? So the transfer of a milk into the empty beaker, measure its mass again, let its mass be M2. जब आप M2 कब हुआ, जब आपने उसमें मिल्क डाल दिया. So the difference between M2 and M1, M2 और M1 में क्या डिफरेंस है, will be given the mass of M, because of M equals to, मैंने जब मिल्क किया था तो M2 क्या है, मिल्क प्लस एम्प्टी बॉटल, और M1 क्या है, when the beaker is empty. तो जब मैंने M2 माइनस M1 किया, M2 माइनस M1 इट मीन्स कंप्लीट को M1 से माइनस कर दिया, तो ये क्या हो गया, इट मीन्स यहाँ पे सिर्फ मिल्क का मास है. क्लियर? Let M equals to 51.5 gram. Now you can calculate the density equals to mass upon volume. Okay, then mass upon volume, then you can use according to the situation. So clear all of you? It means you can use here कि density equals to M2 minus M1 upon volume. Okay, thank you.